Okay, for this project you need a plastic canvas for gardening. Then you just need a shoulder strap as a reference so that you know how long this plastic canvas will be. Then you need some jump ring like this to attach the shoulder strap to your bag. Some scissors, your nylon cord to cover the plastic canvas, a crochet hook 3.5 millimeters, and that's it. Okay, now let's get started. Now cut the canvas in the length you need, using a shoulder strap already done as reference. If needed, cut the excess as well. So I'm cutting this teeth. Not necessary. I just need a perfect strap like that. Okay, the length depends on your needs, of course. Mine is 92 centimeters long. Okay, we are going to start with the plastic canvas, the jump ring, slip knot, insert your hook into the loop, take the closure, put one on the other like that, insert your hook into both, pick up the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pass through to 1. Now again the same, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet this way. Now go to the opposite side, you have to change direction and pass the yarn through the plastic canvas and the jump ring as well. Pick up the yarn, pull it through, single crochet 1. Now move the jump ring this way and continue working only into the plastic canvas. Pick up the yarn again into the same space and single crochet 1. Go to the next space, single crochet 2 in each space, 1 and 2. In the next, 1 and 2. Continue this way all across the row, 1 and 2, like that. Okay, when you are at the end of the row, into the last space, single crochet 1. Now take the other one and put the jump ring in this way enter again the same space and the jump ring together and single crochet one again. Okay, now change direction, single crochet 2, 1 and 2, make another 1, 3, and change direction again this way. Move the jump ring in the correct position, you see, and single crochet one again into the plastic canvas only. And now continue on the other side, single crochet 2 in each space all across the row. Okay, when you are quite at the end of this round, enter the last space and single crochet 1, like that. Now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, like that. Okay, now from here we have to work in the center of the plastic canvas. From here now, chain 2 so that we got the right position to start. And from here, enter the first space, go out from the next space, pass the yarn through the first space like that, and slip stitch this way. From here now, chain 1, go into the next space, go out from the next one, and again slip stitch like that. Chain 1, repeat into the next space, slip stitch, chain 1, There is another method you can use to cover the center of your shoulder strap. I show you. After you slip stitch, remove the 3.5 millimeters and take a 5 millimeters. From here, chain 1, go into the first space, pick up the yarn, pull it through and single crochet 1, and single crochet 1 in each of the next spaces in this way. Insert your hook into the space, pick up the yarn, pull it through, single crochet 1, and do that all across the row till you get to the end. And that's what you got. Choose the one you like the most, of course. You can also do 2 roses, just one, and then you come back to the starting point so that you got 2 chains like this one. At the end of this row, slip stitch in one of these stitches, the one you prefer. You are free to choose one of these, slip stitch, and this is the end of your first row. Now we have a back row. I will leave this sole row because I like the most this effect, but in any case, if you want to go back, you can do it. So enter again in each space, and again single crochet 1. I want to show you the effect, so I will work some spaces just to let you see how it works, and you will choose the one you like the most at your own choice. If you prefer just 1 row or 2 rows single crochet, what you think is the best solution for your shoulder strap. So, and this is the effect with the second row. Show you without light. Maybe this is a more natural light, you can see the difference. Just 1 row and 2 row. Okay, that's it. Now you are ready. If you choose to do the second row, when you are at the end of this second row, of course you slip stitch in one of the final stitches to join and finish your work. Then you cut the yarn, fasten it off, and hide the excess under the stitches on the back of your strap. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like it so that I have a reason to go on and make other videos, tutorials for you. Thanks a lot, and bye bye. See you soon.